Like a lot of parents, I'm thinking about how I'm supposed to evaluate my area and my schools. What I found is it's not too hard if you live in the right county. But even if you do, the answers aren't always pleasant. Johns Hopkins University updates this page online showing which states meet an often recommended threshold. They say if more than 5% of tests are coming back positive, you should not reopen. Utah's statewide positive rate is 9.7% right now. Salt Lake County is the same, but a county is a big, diverse area. And Salt Lake County's health department provides in-depth information to focus on zip codes. On their online dashboard, you can find this page with the COVID-19 total tested. Look on the right. You can click it on your zip code. I clicked on a zip code high on the east side in Sandy. And at the top right, you can see I moved those two little circles so it just shows the last week's tests. And just left of that, you see that this neighborhood has a low test rate of 3.68% positive. That is a good sign for the local elementary school. On exactly that same page, I then clicked to downtown Salt Lake City's zip code 84101. Downtown and to the west and north in Salt Lake, percentages are much higher on positive tests than the often recommended 5% threshold, as you can see. Other counties don't give us that same option, but you can see some of the same trends in other ways. For example, the President's Task Force bases their so-called red zones around the country on the number of cases per 100,000 people. In Davis County, you can see North Salt Lake is red on this map because it has a high case count of 1,200 per 100,000 people. But go north to Farmington, and the rate is just over half of that. A clear picture of some painful divides that could make poorer children and children of color suffer. I'll describe how you can look through this data in this story online. And keep in mind that as you get to the kinds of territory that's covered and the staffing required by junior high and high schools, the big ones, then that local data becomes less meaningful. In the newsroom, Max Roth, Fox 13 News, Utah.